us, it's very important to start thinking how to visualize the shapes, the design of silence. My name is Cesar Montada. I'm head of the exterior light design department. If you want to design a silence, actually one of the elements that is more obvious to us was the equalizers. And you just see the music, you see these lines going up and down. So you can actually see sound. So we did a long horizontal line on the top as a signature, and then a collection of lines that it goes horizontal to the lower part, and this is actually visualizing this power going up and down. Those are the eyes of the car.
The Audi e-Tron is our first fully electrical vehicle, and everybody who was involved in this project had this kind of feeling to do something special, something new, like entering a new world. My name is Philipp Wunsch. I'm responsible for the series development of the lighting components in the Audi e-Tron. The rear lamps of the Audi e-Tron are also very special because it's the first time where we have this e-Tron signature and then combined with more than 100 LEDs inside to get this continuous tail light, which is completely animated and very precise.
I remember we designed these long lines, and this just collection of lines on the side, very reduced, very simple, with a slight change of direction, and staying there and saying, like, is this gonna be enough? And then in a moment, we all said, can you hear it? Can you see it? Less was more. This is a very special car for us, for Audi.
I think in the Audi e-Tron, the whole team achieved in the end headlamps and taillights which are pretty exciting, influenced by the latest design and included also the latest technology. Now we have the e-Tron, that means it's some kind of the mother of all e-Trons.
We know Audi with words like Quattro, and now we will know it with words like e-Tron. It's something completely fresh, completely new.